Hi guys, welcome to today's market update. My name is Alejandro Zambrano, Chief Market Analyst with Amana Capital and TradeCaptain.com. In today's Forex Outlook, we're going to take a look at the Euro versus the USD, but other currency pairs as well, like the pound dollar. And let's begin. And we're going to begin with the Euro dollar. So this is the Euro dollar, and you're looking at a 1 hour chart, and the market is clearly bearish, as you can see on this chart. And we know it's bearish because the price is creating lower and lower and lower highs, and as well lower and lower lows. And for now, as long as you trade below 1833, which is this high here, it's likely really that on any bounce, say up to the soft resistance level of 1764, that traders might look to sell here for this market to eventually move down to the lows again. The next support levels are 1689 followed by 1662. Here's the pound dollar, and the pound dollar as well is bearish. You can see price creating lower and lower highs, and the market is resting just above, well, not really just above, but about 100 pip or so above the 3145 level, which are two major lows created on the 11th and 14th of September. So the trend is obviously bearish, and might bounce up to the soft resistance level of 3341. But from these levels, the market might roll over again and move down lower. And then we would just need to wait. I'm suspecting that in the next few days, the market might stabilize around current levels and then move up to the upside. But for now, because the trend is creating, because the price is creating lower and lower highs, the trend is bearish, and I want to remain short-term bearish in the short term. The dollar yen is bullish above 111.46, which is this level down here. You have also an important support level, which is the 112.19 level, but I wouldn't actually trust this as a stop loss level unless you're scalping. I suspect that if we have some sort of a pullback to these levels, the markets are probably going to look to go long again and target the resistance levels, which are 113.59 and 114.42. The Aussie dollar is as well bearish as many other markets, and you can see that is bearish because again price is creating lower and lower and lower highs, with the trend defining level being the 78.63 level. So below this level I'm happy to be bearish, and we're having a bit of a correction, and again I suspect that the markets might use this as an opportunity to sell, and that eventually will take out the 77.84 level and then potentially trade all the way down to 77.12. On a break to the upside though, the trend is not going to be bearish any longer, and at that point the market might reach 79.05. The New Zealand dollar versus the USD is as well bearish, and the trend defining level is right now the 72.45 level, which is a lower high compared with the high here created on the 25th of September and the high here created on the 22nd of September. We're having a bit of a bounce to the upside, but I guess around 72 or so, the market might look to sell again, and then trader might look to target the 71.29 level, which is the level here created on the 31st of August. Here's the CAD, and the CAD is bullish. It's bullish above the 24.10 level created on the 29th of September, with the next resistance level being the 26th level, which is levels the market traded around on the 21st of August, and then here on the 23rd of August they tried to challenge these levels again, but price repelled from these levels and moved down lower. So the next resistance levels is 126.08, with the next level beyond that being the 26.66 level, whereas the trend is short-term bullish about 24.10, and I would also argue the 23.24 level, well, that is actually the next support level, and really pull back to 24.50 or maybe even a break of 24.10. I think in this area traders are going to rather go long than short to target the 126 level. And that, guys, concludes today's Forex market update. If you have any questions to me, reach out to me via Twitter at AlexFX00, or just use the contact form we have on TradeCaptain.com. Have a great day, and until the next time, happy trading.